Okay, let's set up a daily automated text that sends on its own without having to do anything ourselves. So find the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Go ahead and open that up. And down here you're going to locate the automation. And we're going to select New Automation. Now we want this to run at a specific time of the day, so we're going to select Time of Day. And let's set it for 6:30 a.m. because we are sending in our time first thing in the morning. We're going to have that run daily. And we're going to select Run Immediately. And we don't need our phone to notify us when it runs the automation. So now we're going to select Next. Then we're going to select New Blank Automation. And we're going to search actions. We're going to search for format date. And we're going to select that. This way the date is listed at the top of our text message. We're going to click on date. And then here in the middle, we're going to scroll over and search for current date. So that every day it adds whatever the current date is in the body of the message. Now we're going to come down here to how our date is formatted. We're going to go medium, and you can look at all these different options, but we're going to select medium. You're also going to look at how your time is formatted. We don't need the time because the text message itself will be time stamped. And then right here next to current date, we also have the ability to format our date. We want to go medium. And to format our time, again, we want to go none. We don't need time on our text. So now we can click done. Now we need to add another action. That is the text message itself. So we're going to search actions. We're going to select send message. And so you can see right here our date is already in. Now we're going to click in between that formatted date and the end quotation so that we can add a message in the body of the text. And we're going to select return so that we skip a line. So the date will be listed at the top, and then our message will be listed below that. For me, I have to list my name. And then I want this to go on another line. We will select the route that I'm running. Trinity East Night Production Watch. And let's actually erase this. I'm trying to make it look a little cleaner. So we'll go Trinity Night Production Watch and go East Side. And then we have high H2S levels, so we want to notate that. H2S levels high. So this will be the body of our text message. And we can select done. Alright, so now we've got that. We need to add recipients. And I like to add myself just to run a test. So I'll find me and click done. So now we have our current date, our message in the body of the text, and it's going to go to me, and I can click the play button to run a test of the automation. So I click play, it runs a test, and let's check our text messages and see if it came through. And there we are. We got the date, August 4th, 2025, my name, what I'm doing, where I'm located, and notating that the H2S levels are high. Seems that just came through at 7:54 when I recorded this. So now we are complete. And that is how you set up a daily automated text message. This will send every day at 6:30 a.m. without me having to do anything. Just don't forget to change the recipient from me, which I had for the test, to, in my case, K and B time.